Camera. Always gotta look pretty for the camera. I'm Tim Washington, and I approve this message. Down here in a forgotten part of the country, Lafayette, Louisiana, me, Tim, polished by full attention to detail, installing ceramic coatings. I've been in business since 2012. In 2013, ceramic coatings hit the industry like a flood of what is this? Detailing is a science. Ceramic coatings are the new technology. It's a new science, and not everybody can do it. In the professional coating industry, there's just a lot of manufacturers there. I've tested a few of them, you know, this one and this one and that one and that one. I tested a bunch of them. Guys, if you have a moment, take a break. Did you know Wendy's has a 50-piece spicy nugget? A guy named Sam Azazanazanazanazanese approached me. I shooed him away, actually, and he was with Ceramic Pro. 2016, I got into a 5,000 square foot warehouse. I was pretty comfortable with ceramic coatings as everyone in the industry was learning more and more about them. The years were starting to prove what they really do. But then I was introduced to Jennifer. Lovely Jennifer. Oh my God. Too sweet Jennifer. Treats me so great. Then I welcomed Ceramic Pro. Don't you just want to bathe in spicy chicken nuggets? Yeah, started using Ceramic Pro. Then I moved from a 5,000 square foot warehouse to a smaller warehouse with AC, humidity control, everything like that, and just downsized. Then I turned into pretty much a professional ceramic coating company. I was known for the installations, and at this time I was on my 4th award in the community for, you know, the best detailing company. Now, I exclusively install for Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro performs the way it was designed. It keeps my clients happy. It's grown my business. It's moved it from full attention to detail to polished by full attention to detail. It's better. It's better than what it was. And clients see that. And I have 6 awards. So thank you, Ceramic Pro. Jen got me, and here I am.